let's walk through a complete disassembly of a PMV. First, remove the alignment pins from one end of the PMV. Loosen the set screws so the bearing will be able to move freely. Next, loosen and remove the bolts holding the end bell and wear plate. Now you will want to loosen the seal ring so the packing will be able to easily slide off with the end bell. Now you will be able to remove the end bell, slide it off carefully, and set it aside. Next, the wear plate should slide right off. Now for the other end. First, loosen the seal ring, then the set screws, and lastly the bolts. But leave the bolts in. This will hold the end bell and wear plate together. Carefully slide the rotor out. Now, remove the alignment pins. Then, remove the already loose bolts, being cautious on the last one because nothing will be holding the end bell and wear plate. Set the end bell aside, then the wear plate. All that is left is the barrel sides. Congratulations! You have successfully disassembled a PMV. For more videos, check the website to help you with your other precision needs.